Make a collage. To create collage, it is very easy in DG Photo Smart. Click on collage icon and the images transform into a collage which gets highlighted in orange. You can add any number of horizontal and vertical images into a collage and it will be automatically redesigned as per the images. You can also add and delete any number of images from the collage at any point of the time, and it will automatically redesign the collage. You can resize your collage as required and it will get resized proportionately. You can even change the layout of the collage row wise and column wise. You can also control the number of rows and columns required in a layout according to which your collage will get redesigned. You can apply equal spacing, radius, strokes on a collage. You can also make the color correction on a single image or all the images in the collage. You can add up a background color to a collage and apply opacity in the way you want. You can also customize the collage layout using the freehand tools. You also have the provision to zoom and pan the images in a collage for better composition. Even you can apply horizontal and vertical buffer for equal spacing from all sides of the collage to give the collage a professional look. To make a collage look more creative, you can apply or remove masks and frames to the entire collage. You also have the freedom to rotate all the images together in the collage with more flexibility. Thus, using such unique features, you can create exclusive collage quickly.